Shillong All Faith Forum mentakasngi kala kerpat ya baro ki kenhon jait benriu hapok kejela bandam nget ya ki kebor lamler bala syupen sapriang de kriu sim kebu ban pharia ya kejela da kejing pen ya pher jait benriu namar kejing songkhia ya kejing kenthok bala mi haki sngi ban kitayo bala deb khamtam haki social media ban pen ya pher jait benriu ka kenhon kinang ilam niam hapo kalama jangka SAFF kala emir halor kene kamat ban kenturu ikipat ba nang sang ki badan hak jinget beper bakim dei ban nget ni pen sapriang ya ki khbor ba penyapat ya ke jela haba kren siglap thai khbor u president ka Shillong All Faith Forum u bishop Pioli Lingdo ulong ba kum kinang ilam niam ki songkhia ban yu ya ke jingkan tho na kawai ka kenhon ya kawai pat hadu bakala kata ya ka songsup songsan hak jela khamtam hanong ba Shillong ulong ba ka SAFF ka kentu ya ki nong songsnong ka jela ban kiar na ke jinget bi ya ki khbor bomdan ke jing shisha dah kebau la banrap bahadu menta ha Shillong kampat judan ke jinglek ben ni khen ben ni ki wei ki jinget bat ki pat ba nadu kiseng bahalang kiseng triman sungba kiseng san perthei bat ki wei kim dei banyanget ye ki khobor bomdon nongrim u bishop Pioli ulai thuru ba ka SAFF kala shimekarai ban wat ye ketenrai bala penmi ye ki khobor lamler ban penya pher niam ba jai benriu namar kemba kalong menta omla ban tip ye kadau bala penmi ye kum kini ki khobor ban penya pher halor kini gamat ulong bana kaliang ke SAFF ka kloiru banyak keren bat kitu gibreu ki bapen mi ya ke jingin tho ban tip ya ki e ki daw bat ki jing e ke bapulong ya ki ban pen mi ya ke jingin tho ki bakta e ki pat ba ke jela
our office bearers of the Shillong All Faith Forum, and based on what we read in the newspapers, on the social media, the information we get from here and there of the recent happenings in Shillong, the incidents that have taken place, and then the accusations of one group against another. This has brought a very unpleasant feelings among all of us and the people of Shillong and of the whole state. So today we had a special meeting where so many other prominent people of Shillong are here with us. We have discussed on the matter, on the issue, and the first one that we have all suggested and agreed to do is to appeal to all the people of the state, appeal to all the religious groups, appeal to all the NGOs, the organizations, and appeal to all the political parties, appeal to everyone to not to succumb to hearsay that we read in the media or the information we get from social media without really knowing the truth. Because what we see, what we read may not be the real truth. So Shillong has never experienced religious discord. Shillong has never undergone any religious discrimination so far. It's only now that such things are coming up, and this we appeal to the whole state together as members of the Shillong All Faith Forum. We appeal to the state to be calm, not to take things without properly thinking, especially to young people. We appeal to them not to take things in their own hands, but there are always right forums, there are always platforms where things can be discussed, things can be sorted out. This is what we have discussed just now. The Hindu communities and all other religious communities have expressed very clearly just now in the meeting that they have never experienced any religious discrimination in the state. Just recently we had the puja celebrations, so peaceful. Mr. Naba is the president of the CPC. So peacefully all functions or celebrations.
And this could not have happened without the support, the cooperation, and the fraternity and amity from the majority. I don't want to use the term majority, but from the indigenous community. And this has been happening for ages, for decades. Such a peaceful celebration. And this itself, I think, is our victory, President. The victory of Meghalayans, the Shillongites. And we should not fall into the trap of people from outside. This is very, very important. We have our own strength through which we can grow and we can combine and forge ahead, Bishop.
You all are a pillar of the society. What you write, what you see, what you hear will really create an impact. Do not get misguided by fake news. Whatever you have to report, report the truth. I know you have to report the fact and cross-check your fact, whether it is just being fed to you or it has been imposed on you. So as a pillar of the society, as a sentinel of the state, you all have to play a vital role. We are trying for the peace and harmony, and I think the media is the most important mobile in this to carry out the peace.
So we appeal to the media. Please be careful. Try to calm down the people, not to incite. As a few people have done recently, they incited the people for their own gains. That's what we hear. That what we hear, they are from not from here, not from outside, but we do know the truth. So one of the steps that we have decided just now, one of the action plan that we have discussed just now, is to try and go to the roots of all this. Okay? What this appeal, what we have made to all people is like a cosmetic solution, but we will try to go to the roots of all this.
And they have very specifically come out with the statement that we have never faced any kind of religious discrimination here in Meghalaya. They have clearly come out with that. So that shows how harmonious we are. The people who are the indigenous people, indigenous in the sense anyone who is born and brought up, have the legacy in Meghalaya, may be called the indigenous. They have shown full faith in the system, and they have also declared that they will follow the rule of the land. That is the.
And Meghalaya is part of India. So anyone who comes from within India as a citizen of India, everyone is welcome.
Given a lookout notice for him. If need be, we will be talking with the government also. We will be requesting.
Yes, and also I would say that since the names have come out in the newspapers, if possible, if people give us information, we would like to sit and talk with these people. We are a group of all faiths. All faiths. We'll sit and talk with them and let them share with us what are the complaints they have, the satisfactions that they have. We will do our best.
And let them come to the state. Why from outside?
Since you say that they come from outside and they are from outside, we have seen that an FIR has also been filed against the president of Kasi Students Union in Kashar, no? Silchar. So what do you have to say about this? We have seen that the BJP MLA from our state also, Basan Boshulai, has asked them to withdraw the FIR. So I want you, from your forum side, what is your stand on this?
Again, you see, that is all emotions, all emotions. This one has filed an FIR, this also, it's all emotions. We read in the paper today that the case might be transferred to Meghalaya. So we hope that in due course of time, things will subside, and we will appeal to the government also to take things seriously